Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to copy in-stream data to a PS file using IEBGENER. First of all, let us understand the JCL of IEBGENER. Here we are going to execute a program by name IEBGENER. It's a system utility program present in system libraries. As far as IEBGENER is concerned, it requires 4 DD names: SysUT1, SysUT2, SYSIN and SYSPRINT. SysUT1 will be pointing to a PS file. If you don't have PS file, you can pass data like this in stream. We call this an in stream data. Otherwise, we can give a file name here like DSN disposition equal to share. We'll see that shortly. First, let us copy an in stream data to a PS file. How do you give in stream data? You have to give /sysut1 dd star. Star denotes in stream data follows, and you have to give in stream data from column 1. Okay, here I have given 4 names: M.G. Ramachandran, Abdul Kalam, Sachin Tendulkar, Mother Teresa. And how to end the in stream data? By /star. Either you can give /star or end. Usually we use /star. And in SysUT2, we are going to give the output PS file name. We are going to copy these 4 lines, okay, to this file. One drawback in in-stream data is it has to be manually edited. And second drawback is we can't have more than 80 bytes because a PDS is 80 bytes in length. If you want to create a file of 100 bytes, 1000 bytes, we can't use in-stream data. We can create only 80 bytes file using in-stream data. And you have to be very careful when you're passing in-stream data, because you are going to see only columns 1 to 72. But this file is 80 bytes in length. You have to make sure you don't have anything in columns 73 to 80. Okay, if you have any data, you have to manually remove and give a command numoff. Numoff will not populate automatically populated numbers in columns 73 to 80. So once you write the in-stream data, you can give the output PS file. Since the field PS file is not present, I have given new catalog delete. And DCB 80 bytes, 800 is a block size, space track 1,1 release unit equal to sysda. And we have additional 2 DD names, SYSIN and SYSPRINT. SYSIN is input, system input. You can pass control cards in IEBGENER to selectively copy data. But normally we don't pass data in IEBGENER because we take a full backup. And we use sort program to selectively copy data. And using sort is very, very easy. So since you are not passing any control cards, we are giving a keyword dummy. So we can here for a DD operation, we have to give either dummy or a DSL. If it's an output, you can give sysout equal to star. Sysout equal to star denotes you are going to route all data which is passed to this DD name to spool. Sysout equal to star can be used only for output DD names, not for input DD names, while dummy can be used anywhere in input as well as output DD names. Dummy is primarily used in input file. Suppose you write a program and the input file is not ready, user has not created the input file, you can give dummy as a keyword in input DD name and execute a program to make sure program works properly. Otherwise, you can create your own input PS file. So dummy is a keyword which can be used in any DD operation in input or output, while sysout equal to star can be used only for output DD name. So if there is any issue in execution, you have to come to SYSPRINT and see what is the issue, what is the error message, and correct it accordingly and re-execute again. As far as IEBGENER is concerned, it will give either return code 0 or 12. 0 means successfully copied input to output. 12 means there's error in copying. Usually we'll be getting 12 if there's a mismatch in record length. Mismatch in DCB parameter record length or record format also. Block size can be different, but record length and record format should be same while copying. So let us submit this. Here we are copying in-stream data to an IEBGENER, to an output PS file using IEBGENER program. Let us submit this. Max is equal to 0. Let's copy this PS file. It's already there. Browse columns. It is copied. So in this video, we have copied in-stream data to an output PS file. Suppose I want to take a backup of this PS file. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste here, comma, disp equal to share. This you would have seen in your projects. So this is a JCL which is used to copy a PS file to another PS file. I'll write PS file 1 dot backup. If you're going to take backup in a tape, you should give unit equal to silo or tape 80. Okay, let me save this. Submit. Copied. This is like 3.3. So same thing, whatever you can do in IEBGENER can be done manually using 3.3. Suppose if you want to copy 1000 files, we can't do manually. So we have to write a JCL to do that. Let's see this. Copy. F9, F3. Okay, we have backup file. So how do you ensure that whatever is in the input is in the output? You can compare the files and make sure both are 100% matching. For comparison, you can go to start, option 3.13. You can give the input file, any file anywhere, press enter. It's going to do a line by line compare. It is going to say how many lines processed in both the files and how many lines matched and how many lines there are changes. So as far as this file is concerned, it's a 100% backup. So it has to match 100%. So we are seeing IEBGENER, and IEBGENER is a program to copy a PS to PS. We have to give 4 DD names as far as IEBGENER is concerned: SysUD1, SysUD2, SYSIN and SYSPRINT. SysUD1 will be pointing to input PS file. Since it's an input, this program is going to read and then write into this file. Since you are going to read, you have to give disp equal to share. And since you are going to write, if it's a new file, you have to give new catalog delete. If it's an existing file, you can use disp equal to share or old. We'll see how to copy file to an existing file in another video. Thanks for watching this video.